No human physical compared this 2002 to 2006 Skeleton Hunter original and all three speeds with the turn default control, as well as all three factory speeds, is a low speed control right now. I'm turning it to medium speed. I'm turning to 5 speed. It's running silent, a slight wobble, and blow tons of air with 210mm times 20mm motor. Now I'm going to show 3 factory speeds, and I'm turning it to low. It spins a bit too fast on low, but not as fast as low and close 2007 original. I'm turning it to medium. Those that hold was on 6,000 decibels on 2002 to 2006 scale to original. Most 2007 originals are actually better than 2002 to 2006 scale to originals, but original maybe 2002 is actually the best. I'm turning it to high speed. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.